everyone, and welcome back to another Paper X video. In this video, we are unboxing the new Phoenix Flare CX-12. Comes with 980 wall wedge, and the assist blade is Zillion. Let us begin. Probably should have grabbed scissors, but I'm a man, I don't need no scissors. Okay, maybe I do need scissors. Start right here in the box. Oh, okay. Oh, don't need that anymore. Oh look, the very important instructions. That goes away. Come on. Yeah. Come on, almost there. Perfect. Totally perfect. Let's go from the back first. We have the new bit. Oop. Wall wedge. Nothing special. Though wedge is a good bit, but wall ball wasn't that good, so we'll see how that is. The very pretty 980 with the silver and red. Too bad it's too tall, but can be used on Subwolf. If I can get it open, the moment we've all been waiting for. The upgrade to Phoenix Wing, Phoenix Flare, and... Oh, wait, this is Phoenix Flare. What am I talking about? Phoenix Rudder. No one remembers Rudder. Who remembers Rudder? Anyway. The brand new assist blade, Zillion. A bunch of contact points in line with Flare's contact points. And the beautiful, I like it a lot, Phoenix lock chip. Very nice. Let's put it all together. Hello, please. Okay. And 980 wall wedge. Very beefy boy. Wall wedge is an okay-ish bit. 980 makes it too tall. Zillion is basically a poor man's wheel. Honestly, might be using that. But anyway, let's immediately ruin the paint and try out some combos. We don't need 980 or wall wedge, nor do we need Zillion, nor do we need the lock chip. So we can put all these away. And for our first combo, we are going to test Emperor Phoenix Heavy 660 kit. This is going to be our first challenger. I love the color scheme. Very pretty. There'll be two fighters. Phoenix Wing, 360 Rush. Very classic combo. And Wizard Rod, 160 Hexa. Doesn't need much introduction. First, we're going to put it up against Phoenix. We're going to put it up against Phoenix first. For all these matchups, I will be launching our brand new Bay first. Let me grab my glove. Yes, I use gloves. First test launch, 3, 2, 1. It's self-extremed, but very pretty. Okay, let's start it up. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, big hit straight off the bat. All these matchups are going to be normal tournament style, so 4 points, 2 sets. Phoenix loses. Assess the damage. A tiny scrape there. That's pretty much it. Phoenix takes a spin finish. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Giant extreme by Phoenix. And Well, looks like the original Phoenix is so far beating the new Phoenix pretty badly, if I do say so. 3 points to Phoenix. Phoenix Swing in comparison to Flare 0. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Back-to-back hits. Ooh. Phoenix Flare deflects Phoenix Wing straight into the pocket. It's gonna get confusing every time I say that. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Shoot. And Phoenix Flare clutches it up with a double KO into the pocket. So maybe this guy's getting a bit too old. He is going out of the meta right now. Isn't as strong. Let's see, can he handle the Wizard Rod combo? Again, I'm going to be launching Flare first. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Wizard Rod almost throwing himself into the extreme, but Phoenix Flare goes into the pocket first. 2 points to Wizard Rod. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Phoenix Flare with a super parry, sending Wizard Rod straight into the pocket. It's 2-2. Who will win? 3, 2, 1. Wait, can Wizard Rod pop out? No. He throws himself into the pocket. If I can get him out. Phoenix Flare. Emperor Phoenix, actually. Emperor Flare Heavy 660 kick. There's another combo we're going to be trying. Let's take these off. And here we go. It's going to be Emperor Flare Heavy 960 low rush. Let's see if this is any better. It's going to go back up against Phoenix Wing first. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was wrong. I didn't tilt it hard enough. So far, no big contacts. Phoenix Flare destabilized. The Phoenix Wing is as well. Who will stand up? Phoenix Flare looking very unhealthy here. And Phoenix Wing dancing. Phoenix Flare loses stamina to Phoenix Wing. 3, 2, 1. Big hits. Phoenix Flare with a weak attack. Oh, never mind, not a weak attack. Sending Phoenix Wing straight into the extreme. It is 3-1. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I missed launch. That didn't happen. That didn't happen. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. That never happened. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely a pro. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh. Phoenix Wing self-KOing after how many times I fumbled. But Phoenix Flare goes into the pocket first, or actually, sorry, Emperor Flare. So Phoenix Wing does take the points here. It is 3-3. Who will come out on top? Phoenix Flare looking for that big attack. Phoenix Wing unable to catch the rail very well. Losing all of its stamina. Phoenix Emperor Flare wins. Barely by the skin of his teeth. We're going back to NorCal Special or Wizard Rod 160 Hexa. 3, 2, 1, go. No big contact yet. Ooh! Phoenix Flare desperately trying to hit him into the extreme, failing twice. Looks Looks like Norcal Special is just going to take the survive the finish. 3, 2, 1. Phoenix! Ooh! Phoenix Flare chasing down Wizard Rod on the rail, sending him into the extreme. Wizard Rod has 1 point. Phoenix has 3. Can he take it back? 3, 2, 1. That probably won't horrible off. I blame it on the launcher. Phoenix Flare loses on stamina. That's starting to hurt. All this paint scrapes. Okay, let's try a better launch this time. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Phoenix Flare with the extreme dash, but it isn't enough. All Phoenix Flare needs is 1 point. Such an interesting fight. Phoenix Flare loses on stamina. It's 3-3. Maybe if I pull harder. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1. Phoenix Flare charging up. Missing the extreme. It doesn't look like Phoenix has it. Desperate extreme dash. It barely connects at all. I think Wizard's gonna take this unless Phoenix Flare can pull some shenanigans, I guess. Phoenix Flare loses it. So apparently 660 kick is better than 960 low rush. Either that or it's just a skill issue. Now let's try something different. We're gonna be trying some other combos with Phoenix Flare's pots this time. I'm gonna be trying Hover Wyvern 960 Wall Wedge. Saw this on a YouTube video. I'm going to link that video in the description. Please go check that out. And it's going to go against both Phoenix Wing and Wizard Rod. We're gonna go Wizard Rod first since we went Phoenix last time. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh. That was very anticlimactic. I'm gonna redo that. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Big attack on cover. Wizard Rod jumping around on the rail. Cover trying to get some desperate attacks in. Green v green. Who will come out on top? Hover falls. Wizard with 1 point. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Did it burst? Oh, it did burst. That never happened. I don't know what I'm talking about. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Very clean and calm. And Hover pull some bullshit and then throw him into the pocket. Wrong way, Hover. No big attacks. I'll adjust the camera. Someone's looking disabled. Or trying to be disabled at least. Oh. Hover trying to destabilize Wizard even more. Is it enough though? Not enough. Another point to Wizard. This is very slow. Let's just try pulling harder. 3, 2, 1. Let's see if something more interesting happens. trying to desperately get under. Wizard Rod jumping on the extreme. Not enough. Hover's losing every match. This is very sad. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hover. Oh, Hover uses a big attack. Ooh! No, that works as well. Wizard Rod throwing himself into the extreme out of pity, I guess. It is 3-3. Who will take it? Hover or Wizard? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh! That was a big attack from Hover. Wizard Rod extreme jump back and then got hit in. Wizard loses. Okay, we're gonna grab out Phoenix Swing. Still on 360 low rush. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Hover just immediately getting countered into the extreme. 3 points to Phoenix. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. And Hover fails. He gets sent into the pocket. Well, that is all the testing I'm going to be doing today. Overall, Phoenix Flare. Oh, Phoenix Flare. Actually, let me get the Phoenix Lock chip. I'm going to look at it. There we go. Overall, Phoenix Flare is a pretty good bay. I would say it's better off on attack type combos in my opinion. It is decently heavy. If you pair it with the Emperor Lock chip and something like 660 kick, via that small testing match, 660 kick did the best. You can obviously try other combos, but in my opinion, that's the best combo for it. And heavy just adds a bit more weight to it. Some defensive combos probably would just be like 160 Hexa, 760 Hexa. You can try other options as well, but that's just my opinion. I'm going to send you over to the analysis table, and we're going to continue talking there. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the analysis table. We're going to be analyzing Phoenix Wing's battles. Not Phoenix Wing, Phoenix Flare's battles. Its start combo, in my opinion, is not that good. Zillion is a good assist blade. Like I said earlier, when doing our test battles, it's the poor man's wheel. It does a similar thing. It is slightly lighter than wheel, but it is meant to parry off attacks. And honestly, I think it's pretty good at its job, even though I haven't done testing. Based on what I've seen online and other people's testing, Zillion looks to be a good blade, assist blade actually, sorry. And Phoenix Flare's main blade, or just the Flare main blade, in my opinion, is best on attack type combos, continuing the legacy of Phoenix Wing. You can use it on defensive combos. 760 Hexa and 160 Hexa are probably its best combos. You can pair that with Zillion or Heavy as the assist blade. Honestly, I don't think the Emperor Lock chip would be best on the defensive combos, solely because it pulls weight to the center, and due to center of gravity issues and moment of inertia, you're going to tip over easier. So only use that on attack type combos, because that extra added weight, when you go around on the extreme, you're going to hit your opponents harder since you have more mass. The stock combo I wouldn't use, like I said earlier. 980 is the highest kind of ratchet. That's a normal ratchet. We do have 85 height ratchets, but they have the locking mechanism, and no one likes that. Wall Wedge, it's a pretty good bit. Would it replace Wedge? I don't think so, but it can be used if you want two combos that would like Wedge. But I probably won't be using it all, nor will I be using 980. Zillion, I probably will be using in some CX combos that I use, solely because it is basically like wheel. I don't have wheel. It's going to be useful. And the Phoenix Flare main blade, I do actually kind of want to use this instead of something like Solar Eclipse. As of now, I own the best Main blade I have is Soul Eclipse. I don't have Pegasus, and I don't have anything else like that. But I think Phoenix is actually an amazing main blade, so I will be using that, probably on that Emperor 660 kick combo. We'll see how that performs in a tournament. But that's all in the analysis table. Thank you all for listening. Bye bye.